guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tonia. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and if you're an old subscriber and you're coming back to watch my videos again, you're also welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be making jollof rice. This is an African based delicacy. For this recipe, I will be using red tomatoes, red pepper, onions, garlic, ginger, and a whole chicken. In a blender, combine tomatoes, red pepper, and onions. When I'm done blending the tomatoes, I spice the chicken. I use curry, thyme, garlic seasoning, pepper, and stock cube. Add a cup of water to boil the chicken. Cover and leave to cook for about 20 minutes. Now the chicken is cooked. I'm going to put it in the air fryer to cook for about 30 minutes. In a pan, add the vegetable oil and saute the onions. Add the tomato sauce and fry inside the onions. Fry the tomato sauce until you can see the vegetable oil floating at the top. At this point, you can add the chicken stock into the tomato sauce and cook for about 10 minutes. At this point, you can add your stock cubes, bay leaves, curry powder, thyme, and any other spice that you love. Add the washed rice into the tomato sauce. Stir the rice, but make sure you don't scrape the bottom of the pot. Jollof rice is a spicy rice dish eaten in every African home. It can be eaten in any special occasion, Christmas party, birthday party, and any other special occasion. Cover the rice with the cling film so that it can steam for about 20 minutes. Add a little water to cook the rice and lots of steam to cook the rice. I usually keep a little tomato sauce at the end, so now I'm adding a little tomato sauce and my chopped onions. Adding onions at the end of the cooking gives the rice a very special flavor. In my years of cooking jollof rice, I have come to realize that the secret to a flavorful jollof rice is not only in the love and attention you give the sauce, but also in the type of cookware you use. I recently got this cookware and I must tell you that it's been a game changer. The jollof rice came out smoky, delicious, and yummy. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit on the notification button where you'll be notified of more interesting and exciting content. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.